What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today we are reviewing the status between 3ANC wireless earbuds. So, not too long ago, I did a short detailing the unboxing and what came inside. One of the problems with this guy, the review unit did not come with a charging cable, so that kind of sucks. I love the design. It works the way it's supposed to work, but one thing that I do not like about these headphones, and it's really hard for me to even find the best wireless earbuds, is because it don't stay in my ears. Every time I run, they constantly fall out. So some of the kind of specs on this particular earbuds, and I have my trusty little black book with some of my notes. Now, the retail price for these guys is $199, so it's $200. It only comes with two colors. One is Onyx Black, which is the one that I like the most. And this one here is Bone. To me, it looks more of like a cream color white. Active noise canceling, which definitely the active noise canceling does work if you have the phone app installed on your iPhone or Android, and it allows you to control that particular feature. It does have 6 mics on each earbud when you're talking with a video call or audio call. It works great. The rating, the waterproof rating is IPX5. I haven't tested these guys out like deep diving in water. When I did a lot of sweating in my running, they work perfectly fine. Now, run times for these earbuds, it takes around 8 hours with the active noise canceling turned on and 12 hours if you have it off. I haven't tested that out because, again, I'm having problems using it when I'm constantly running because they constantly fall out of my ears. Now, I measured the audio loudness on these particular earbuds, and the room was around 49.8. And when I had them hooked up to my iPhone and I raised the volume up to the highest, it got to 69.1. That's around 19.3 decibels. That's the highest that I got on these particular earbuds. Now, my overall experience for these earbuds, they're great if you're standing still and listening to music. They work great. If you're active and you're running like I do all the time, they're the worst earbuds so far. Because they're constantly falling out. Overall, if you're willing to spend $200 for earbuds and you're just standing still, go for it. If you're a person like me that is constantly working out, these are not it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this first impression on the status between 3ANC earbuds, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. All right. Action. What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today we are reviewing the status. What's the name of the product? Status between.
Status between.
Yeah. Okay. Action.